There you go.
Thanks, guys.
All right, time to meet our Fox best friend. Yoshi brought in a very cute puppy here named Troy.
Yes.
Tell us about this guy.
So Troy is a pit bull mix. He's a 3-month-old puppy, and he's actually a shelter transfer from Texas. So we'd love to show him some Utah love, find him a nice Utah family. He is absolutely adorable. The minute I walked in the room, he literally rolled onto his back so I could start petting his belly. So he's
sweet.
Definitely a fun dog, loves people, and yeah, just super cute.
Just a
How
happy guy.
big do you think he's going to get?
So, you know, pit bulls on average will get to be around, it's a pretty big range, anywhere from 25 pounds to 70 pounds. And
Really?
it's a little bit more trickier when they're a mix, and we don't know what they're mixed with to predict where that will be. So, somewhere in there.
Although his front paws look pretty big.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Well, it's because he's got webbed paws there. Better to swim with.
Right.
He'll be a great swimmer.
That's right.
Oh, look at
So
that
is
doggy.
he house trained yet, or needs some work on that still since he's a puppy?
Yes, he's still going to need some work on that. In fact, we were working on sit in the green room just now, and he's starting to get it. But he's definitely going to need some work on potty training.
All
The
right.
basics.
What's his
Yes.
adoption fee?
It's $325, which includes the chip, neutering, and the chip, neutering, and one more thing that's not coming
And
to
something,
me.
and the spaying. Just take care of all of it.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Yoshi. But he's ready to go, basically. Here's the number for the Humane Society on the screen right here.
Dora, what's coming up next?
Hey guys, the